Hey everyone, welcome back to Iron Coding. Today we are learning data types in JavaScript. Understanding data types is crucial for any programmer, so let's break it down. In JavaScript, there are two types of data types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Let's start with primitive data types. Number, string, Boolean, null, undefined, symbol. All these are primitive data types. Number, it represents numeric value. String, it represent text data like name. Boolean, it have only two values, true or false. Null, it represent null values. Undefined, the variables with no values are undefined data type. Symbol, it is the unique value assigned for a variable. In this example, we declared variables with different primitive data types. We can check data type of these variables. Write console.log, brackets. Inside brackets, write type of, and now write the variable name, age. Similarly, for all variables. Now save it. This is how we can check the variable data type. Next, non-primitive data types. Object, array, and function are three main non-primitive data types. Objects are collections of key-value pairs. Each key is a string or symbol, and each value can be any data type. This is an example of object with key and value. Here, subject and age are keys, and English and 20 are values. To print this whole object, write console.log, brackets. Inside brackets, write name of the object, student. Here we get whole object as output. We can also check data type, write console.log, brackets, type of student. Here we get object as output. Array. Arrays are a special type of object used for storing ordered collections of values. Each value in an array is called an element, and elements are accessed using their index. This is an example of array. Here, red, green, blue are elements of array. To print whole array, write console.log brackets colors. We get elements of our array. We can also print elements of an array by index number. Index number means serial number. In JavaScript, index number starts with 0, means index number of red is 0, index number of green is 1, and index number of blue is 2. To print, write console.log brackets colors, square brackets 0. Now we get red as output because index number of red is 0. Next, functions. They are blocks of code designed to perform a specific task. A function in JavaScript is executed when something calls it. Functions can take arguments and return a value. This is the syntax of function. Here we can write the name of our function, and inside the curly braces, we can write the work that we want the function to perform. I created a function. This is the name of our function, and this is the work it performs. Save it. Nothing is showing here because we have a function, but we did not use it anywhere. To use this function, we have to call it. This is the syntax for calling a function. Write the name of the function, my function, brackets, and a semicolon. Save it. Now we get the output. Let's create a function that adds two numbers and prints the result directly to the console. Write function, we can name it add, and it will take two parameters, a and b. Inside the function, we'll add these two numbers and use console.log to print the result. Now let's call this function and pass two numbers, add 100 plus 200. Here we get the result. All right, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more programming tutorials.